welcome to my kitchen. We are here another day for another fantastic Spanish dish, and this one is a very popular one. It's ensaladilla rusa, or ensaladilla, what you would call Russian salad, but is very different from the British Russian salad. So the way that we start is we put water in a pan, and we get our frozen mixed vegetables and we put them in. There it goes, all of it. And then we get our diced potatoes. You can see they're not very big, they're quite small. We need them to cook quickly. So in they go too. We mix, and then we add 2 eggs, whole eggs, because we want them to cook. And then we add a bit of salt, which will make it taste a bit better. And we put it in high heat. We bring it to the boil, we cook it, and when it's done, we will continue with this popular dish. The mixed vegetables, the potatoes and the eggs have been boiling for about 10-15 minutes. They are now all soft. They're all ready to be used. And what I'm going to do, I'll drain them, and they need to be cooled down. Right, so now our mixed vegetables and potatoes have cooled down, and we're going to start adding all the other ingredients. And we're going to start with the chopped onion, raw onion, not cooked, raw. If you like onion, you add more. If you don't, you add less, like with everything. Then we will add our olives. We're going to add our roasted peppers, chopped. We're going to add the chopped and now we're going to add our tuna, and I'm going to do it with my hands because I want to. We're going to start mixing. Okay. And now what we're going to add is a tablespoon of garlic powder and the parsley. This is the way my mom used to prepare it. Other people may prepare it in a different way. Oh, so nice. I hope you make this and you can see how nice it is. And now what we're going to add is the mayonnaise. So I'm going to use mayonnaise, enough mayonnaise to make it moist. This is a vegan mayonnaise. You use whatever you are used to eat. This is what we like. So you start mixing this way, kind of in little circles. Once mixed, this is how it looks like. Delicious. Now what we're going to do, we are going to cover it with cling film. We're going to put it in the fridge for at least an hour until it's really cold, because you want to eat this cold. And then we will take it out of the fridge about 20 minutes, half an hour before we serve it, because we don't want to freeze our gum. We will see what the result is when we serve it. You make this Russian salad. It's really lovely. It would be great at barbecue day, on a summer's day. It would be so nice. I hope you like it. I hope you tell me on the comments what you think about it, if it was good, if it wasn't, if you add anything extra, if you remove. Just let us know. Subscribe to our channel, give us a like, a thumbs up, give us your honest opinion. Please spread the love for food. I hope you enjoyed this video. I will see you on the next one. Bye!